The story of India's Independence Day. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to tell you the inspiring story of India's Independence Day. Many years ago, India was not a free country. It was ruled by the British for nearly 200 years. During that time, Indians had very few rights. They had to follow British laws, pay heavy taxes, and many people lived in poverty. The dream of freedom seemed far away. But the people of India never gave up hope. Brave leaders from different parts of the country came together to fight for independence. Mahatma Gandhi believed in the power of truth and non-violence. Instead of fighting with weapons, he encouraged people to protest peacefully. Millions of Indians joined his movements, including the Non-Cooperation Movement, the Salt March, and the Quit India Movement. Many other freedom fighters also made great sacrifices. Bhagat Singh, Subhas Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, and countless others dedicated their lives to the nation's freedom. Many were imprisoned, and many sacrificed everything so that future generations could live in an independent India. Finally, after years of struggle, courage, and sacrifice, the dream became a reality. On the midnight of 15 August 1947, India became an independent nation. Jawaharlal Nehru delivered his famous tryst with destiny speech, declaring that India had awakened to freedom. The next morning, the Indian national flag was proudly hoisted, and people across the country celebrated with joy, hope, and pride. Every year on 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day to honor the brave men and women who fought for our freedom. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi, and the nation pays tribute to its heroes. Independence Day is not just a celebration. It is a reminder of the sacrifices made by millions of freedom fighters. It teaches us to value our freedom, respect our nation, and work together to make India stronger, cleaner, and more prosperous. As responsible citizens, we can honor their sacrifices by being honest, respecting others, protecting our environment, and contributing positively to our country. Let us always remember that the freedom we enjoy today was earned through the courage and determination of countless heroes. Jai Hind. Nani.